Good morning, children. Hope you're fine and healthy. Let's begin today's class with a thought. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. So don't repeat, children. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. So don't wait for any time, children. You, for each situation, take up and make it perfect, each task, whichever you are doing. Now, yesterday, in the previous class, we have learned till exercise 8.6 till the third sum. Let's continue exercise 8.6 in today's class. So after the third problem, write the question number 4. Rani had 18 rupees 50 paise. She bought an ice cream for 11 rupees 75 paise. How much money does she have now? So Rani has bought 18 rupees. She had 18 rupees 50 paise with her, and with which she bought an ice cream worth 11 rupees 75 paise. How much money does she have now? So from the total money she has, if we take away the cost of the ice cream she bought, we will get the amount left over with her. So what is the first statement, children? Amount Rani had 18 rupees 50 paise. Next statement, amount she spent for an ice cream, that is 11 rupees 75 paise. Then amount she has now is nothing but 18 rupees 50 paise minus 11 rupees 75 paise, which is nothing but 6 rupees 75 paise. How do we get that, children? 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so we need to borrow from 5. So it's nothing but 4, and this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4, we cannot take 7 from 4. So 7 here and 14 here. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 rupees 75 paise is the amount Rani has with her now. I hope you understood fourth question, children. Now let's move on to the fifth question. Tina had 20 meters 50 centimeters long cloth. She cuts 4 meters 50 centimeters length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? So they have given you the total length of the cloth, and they also gave you the length of the cloth cut for making the curtain, and they're asking you to find out how much cloth is left with her. So we all know that what is the operation involved here. Yes, that's nothing but subtraction. So children, you can do this sum as homework. Complete it. Now let's move on to the next question. Sixth question. Namita travels 20 kilometers 50 meters every day. So the total distance she travels per day is 20 kilometers 50 meters. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometers 200 meters by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? So from the total distance, if we take away the distance she travels by bus, we will get the distance she travels by auto. So this also you can complete it as homework, children. Let's move on to the seventh question. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kgs. So the total weight of vegetables Akash bought is 10 kgs, out of which 3 kgs 500 grams is onions and 2 kgs 75 grams is tomatoes, and the rest is potatoes. So what is the weight of the potatoes? That is the question asked. So if total weight is 10 kgs and they gave you the weight of onions and tomatoes, if we subtract the weight of onions and tomatoes from the total weight, we can get the weight of potatoes. So let's see the solution. What's the first statement? Weight of vegetables Akash bought. So next statement, weight of onions he bought is equal to 3 kgs 500 grams. Next, weight of tomatoes he bought is equal to 2 kgs 75 grams. And what is the next statement? Weight of potatoes he bought is equal to total weight minus sum of onions and tomatoes. So if we take away the sum of onions and tomatoes from the total weight, we get the weight of the potatoes. So how can we write this, children? 10 kgs minus 3 kgs 500 grams plus 2 kgs 75 grams. So 3 kgs 500 grams plus 2 kgs 75 grams is nothing but 5 kgs 575 grams. So which can be written as 10 kgs minus 5 kgs 575 grams. So how do we do this, children? It's 10 kgs 000 grams minus 5 kgs 575 grams. So we cannot take 5 from 0, so we need to borrow from 10. So this will be 9. So here it becomes 9, here it becomes 9, and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4. So 9 minus 5 is 4 again. So what is the answer, children? 4 kgs 425 grams. So therefore, weight of potatoes is equal to 4 kgs 425 grams. I hope you understood the 7th question, children. So complete question number 5 and 6 as homework. With this, we have completed exercise 8.6. So our chapter is over. So children, complete this decimal notes by the next maths class and be ready with your activity booklet in the next class.